Welcome to our next sessions. I have discussed about some tools for content writing, some AI tools for content writing. We will expose four main tools for content writing. We will discuss one remaining points and the conclusion of our previous topics. So we have been discussing about LinkedIn. In the last part, we will reveal there's utilizing LinkedIn and as AI tools for content writing involve actively engaging industry-related groups and publishing platforms with a valuable article while nurturing meaningful contents within the professional community. So we will discuss the five main AI tools for content writing. Is that Medium? That's called Medium. Medium is not just a platform for reading through a provoking article. It can also be helpful tool for content writing. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of topics, Medium is an excellent resource to spark creative ideas and gain insight from other writers. One of the key features that make Medium stand out is its ability to connect with like-minded individuals through its vast network of writers. By following publications or specific writers in your niche, you can stay updated on the latest trend and learn from their expertise. This exposure to different perspectives can help you develop unique angles for your content. Another advantage of using Medium is the option to publish your own articles. Whatever you are looking to for Facebook or simply want to share your thoughts with the widest audience, Medium allow you to reach potential reader interested in similar topic. It is a great way to build credibility as a writer, attract followers, or appreciate your insights. In addition, Medium offers a clean and distraction-free writing environment that helps streamline the content creation process. The platform intuitive editor lets you focus on crafting compelling narrative without being overwhelmed by unnecessary formatting options. Furthermore, Mediums provide valuable analytics tools that allow you to track how well your article performed regarding reviews and engagement metrics such as of the data-driven approach enable to access which type of content resonate best your audience and refine your writing strategy accordingly. While many view Mediums primarily as a reading platform, it also offers valuable resources for content writer. From being inspirations through diverse perspectives and the responsibility, problematics, original article and assessing insightful analytic data. There is no doubt that Medium deserves recognition as one of the best AI tools in 2023. At the last, we will discuss about the conclusion of this session. Conclusion of the tools of content writing, what we have discussed and what we have do. So conclusion, we will start in the fast-paced digital age. Have access to right tools can make all the differences in your content writing journey. Several free AI tools can help you streamline your writing process and enhance your creativity. While these five tools offers tremendous value of free resources of content writers today, it is essential to keep exploring new technology as they emerge. As artificial intelligence evolves rapidly, we many witness even more innovative solutions to enhance our writing skills. So why we start harnessing the power of these AI tools and take your content writing game to new insights. So in this blog we have discussed all writing. So I hope you will enjoy with this article and you gain a much knowledge at our aspects. You have to connect with our YouTube channel for learning such as AI best contents. You will much gain with our channel. I hope you will follow our channel, subscribe our channel, like my video and share my video as soon as possible. I will be thankful to you all of this. We will meet in the next session with the next topic, latest and trend topic that help you boosting your business, boosting your creativity, boosting your mentality, and boosting your knowledge. Okay, fine. I have to go. We will meet in the next sessions.